If it's the 15th of February, May, August, or November, then it's 13F day, and that's when we find out what the big hedge funds, what the whales have been buying in the previous quarter, and we get to do a little bit of a peeky poo into what they've been buying. Hey, what's up? I'm Russ, and let's take a peek at what Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's jam, has been buying. Now, this is on Seeking Alpha, which I do have a link in the description below. Save yourself 50% off a description. Real cool community. Love the comments on all the articles there. And we can see that Berkshire added to their big mamba jamba position of Apple, ticker AAPL. Well, they also sold off Taiwan Semiconductor, ticker TSM. Now, this was a newer position. Highlight that there for Berkshire. They just added it last quarter, but it goes to show that Warren will say that if something different comes up, if something materially changes, then they will not hesitate to relieve a position. But also keep in mind that he does not do all the buying and selling. Todd Combs, Ted Wexler are two of the portfolio managers that are beneath him, and these may be some of their moves. Also, you'll find a link for this handy dandy spreadsheet, which I did go through and meticulously update for you, reflecting the Berkshire Q4 2022 positions. They raised stakes in Apple, Chevron, Paramount, and Louisiana Pacific. Now, if you hover over the ticker, that will take you to the Seeking Alpha page for each of these tickers. And again, love the comment sections. There is the coolest things that you can learn, and I do learn a lot just from the comments of all these fantastic articles and ideas. And then you'll find the current share price, the annual dividend, the current dividend yield. This is simplysafedividends.com. This is a rather expensive subscription, but I did go through and put the current Simply Safe dividend score for you there. And then alphaspread.com is a really cool site. You can see here for Apple, they have an intrinsic value of the base case of $128.64. And on the bear case, the worst case, 5 years of negative growth, $104.31, if you can believe that, which you can see reflected here, the 128.64 and 104.31. And they also lowered stakes again, Taiwan Semiconductor, Bank of New York Mellon, ticker BK, US Bank Corp, Activision Blizzard, which was a little bit of an arbitrage play on if that deal was going to go through being acquired by Microsoft. Apparently, Warren has soured on that a little bit. Kroger they cut, and they also cut a little bit of their Ally, ticker ALLY, financial position. They did not liquidate anything, and then again, go through here, you'll see everything that they do hold with the Simply Safe dividend score, if any, and then a little bit of intrinsic valuation for you as of this recording on February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. And one more really cool link for you in the description below, it's littered with links, is the CNBC Buffett tracker. I love this because they do show you some of the moves they've made. There's a link to the 13F filing right here, but they have the current portfolio and it is sortable. If you wanted to sort by percent of portfolio, we see that Apple makes up 41% of Berkshire's marketable securities, meaning those are the stocks that they hold and not the entire businesses that they've bought like Geico. So knock yourself out. Check out my spreadsheet. Check out the Warren Buffett portfolio tracker on CNBC. And if you'd love to know how Warren buys pharmaceutical stocks, check out this short in the little box floating next to my head. And if you do that, Warren will talk to you there.